I just made $10,000 in my first month posting YouTube Shorts. Best of all, it only took me an hour a day to make these videos, but I still managed to turn YouTube into a full-time business. And so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the exact same thing on your own YouTube channel. So Shorts have been around since 2022, and some people have been complaining that the Shorts fund, which they had last year, wasn't paying them as much money as they needed. But there are certain niches on YouTube and communities where you can start earning more revenue through YouTube Shorts. Now remember that monetizing creators on YouTube will just keep 45% of the allocated Shorts revenue because there is no more Shorts bonus. But don't worry about that, because this new revenue model from YouTube pays you a whole bunch more money than the YouTube Shorts fund ever did. So the very first step to earning $10,000 a month on YouTube is to create a YouTube channel. You can name it pretty much anything you want because the channel name doesn't really have anything to do with YouTube. But I would say one thing, make sure you're doing something you're passionate about. Make sure this is something that you want to do, and make sure this is something that's going to be fun, because you are going to have to put in some effort if you want to make this a full-time business. Now once you create a YouTube channel, it's time to start earning revenue with YouTube Shorts. Now if you're not in the YouTube Partner Program, you need to start accumulating views to meet the requirements that the partner program has. Now the only way to make money on YouTube is to get views, and I'm sure that's obvious to all of you. But luckily now with YouTube Shorts, it's easier than ever before to get 1 million views on a video, or even 10 million. I have some friends that are posting a short a day, and they're pulling in tens of millions of views every single month. So right now, it's never been easier to have a YouTube channel that's successful. Now, as I said earlier, the YouTube Shorts fund is no longer available. And that's because YouTube is paying us just like they would with normal videos, with a CPM and RPM and all of that, with each short we're posting having its own CPM. I mean, just take a look at this. One of the biggest YouTubers right now, Zach King, made $3,000 from 200 million views during his very first month of the YouTube Shorts ad. He even said that it's 2 times better than a TikTok monetization. Now you might be wondering, how did Zach King make $3,000 from 200 million views? Something's not right. Well, you wouldn't be wrong. Because as I said earlier in this video, different niches on YouTube pay each other differently. And because Zach King is an entertainment niche, he's not going to earn that much money. But if you choose another niche wisely, like finance, motivation, health, technology, and even cars, you could be earning a ton of more money. And even if you choose something like the education niche, the RPMs on this topic can really boost your revenue. Now once you created this YouTube channel, it's time to start earning money. And there are several tools that I used to earn $10,000 in my first month. Number 1 is vidIQ. vidIQ is a great tool because it gives a new extension on how videos rank and how videos are discovered and even optimized. Plus, a whole bunch of successful YouTubers have used vidIQ many times. Now, using vidIQ can definitely boost your channel and take it to the next level. I'd say that this is one of the most important tools that you have to have. This is one of the most important tools that you need to run a successful YouTube channel. Number 2 is TubeFilter. Now, TubeFilter's top 50 list shows you the most viewed channels on YouTube. Now, the reason why this is very useful on YouTube is because it shows you the channels that are successful in pulling in the millions of views. For instance, this channel posts shorts, this one does too, another channel with shorts, another channel with shorts, and this channel with shorts. Now, pretty much every channel on YouTube is posting shorts. And what's important to note here is that there are 35 YouTube Shorts channels in the top 500. Now, the reason TubeFilter is important is because it shows you what's trending on YouTube and the channels and type of videos that are working out. Now this week, as you can see, there are 35 YouTube Shorts channels in the top 50 most viewed channels of the week. So when you're on TubeFilter, be sure to take a look at all the channels that are trending in your country, or even where you live. It's important for me to look at every single channel on this list, and take note and study what they're doing and what's working out for them, and how I can use their tactics and strategies on my own YouTube channel. That's basically what I did to earn $10,000 in my first month of YouTube Shorts. Now after TubeFilter, it's Social Blade. Social Blade gives you a whole list of analytics, subscriber, and view counts of every single successful channel out there. This will help you rank your videos, grow your channel, and find other channels that you can take after. It's another important tool that you have to have. Plus, Social Blade is free, just like TubeFilter and vidIQ. Now after using those tools, but now it's time to start making YouTube Shorts, but good content and quality content that'll pull in millions of views. Now it's pretty simple what you have to do. Go onto YouTube and go straight to the trending page. You want to find the topics, the videos, and the niches that are trending on YouTube. You can find here the trending shorts, a whole tab of trending shorts it is, and other videos on YouTube that are trending. So right now we can find topics like the Oscars are trending, Five Nights at Freddy's from Game Theory, the MLB highlights, and even some music videos that are trending as well. Now if you go into the gaming niche, there's also a ton of more YouTube Shorts that you can try to recreate yourself and experiment with to get millions of views. So if you were to be a Minecraft channel, for instance, I would personally do whatever's on the trending page. With this short right here, I would do this short right here. There's an imposter among us from Cameron18. Now I know that not all of you guys watching this channel are Minecrafters, but it's just an example. The most important thing to remember on the trending page is the trending shorts tab. This is very key because it gives you an entire list from A through Z of the most popular shorts on YouTube at the current moment. And if we just watch some of these shorts, you can find the trends in that niche that are working out. But the key is that you have to do it yourself and be sure to make original content that's just similar to the ones that are working on YouTube. Now remember what I said earlier, you have to choose a niche on YouTube that you would enjoy making content in. And make the content that you're passionate about and make very quality good videos. Your first couple hundred videos might not be very good, but if you keep improving them over time, you'll definitely see a big jump in your revenue. Now guys, you also want to be sure that you research a topic in the niche that you're in and just browse the homepage. I do this many times just to see what type of videos that YouTube is recommending. Now pretty much in every niche on YouTube, there's a way for you to be successful. All you gotta do is choose the one that you're most passionate about, the one that you enjoy making the most content in. Because if you don't enjoy what you're doing on YouTube, and the type of videos that you're posting, there's no way to find success in this business. I also want you guys to pay attention to the top tabs right here. It says gaming, live, and a bunch of other topics that you definitely want to click on. Because once you click on these topics, it leads you down a rabbit hole of other videos and niches that you can succeed in. Now these are all YouTube automation channels and it's a pretty easy way to succeed on YouTube. But if you want to be real, authentic, and original, then create your own content like YouTuber like Corey Kenshin, another one like Zach King, or even Dude Perfect. Because when you're creating original and authentic content that your audience loves, you'll be able to create an authentic brand and build a community around your personality. And for all of you guys watching, that should be your end goal, to build a community on YouTube. Because let's remember, whether it be on the short shelf or on regular videos, these are real people watching these videos, commenting, and even liking. It's real actual human beings watching and being entertained or not being entertained by the videos you make. The most important thing that you have to do is just post videos. And one more bonus tip. Take a look at the most successful YouTuber right now, Mr. Beast. On his main channel and even his second channel, he's posting a ton of shorts. So you should definitely take advantage of the short shelf. You might even earn more than $10,000 a month, all with YouTube Shorts. Now because I want to be transparent with you guys, I'm going to show you just how much exactly YouTube pays me. Now since I started posting back in March of last year, I first made $4,000 my first month, and then I made $6,000, $8,000, and even increased over time to $8,200 and $8,500. And then back in August of last year, I made around $11,000, and then December, it was another $11,000. And as you can see, some of the RPMs in here are like $20. This one's $21, $25, $19.99, and $23.66. Now, first of all, you guys want to remember that it takes being consistent, being persistent, and always be willing to experiment on the type of videos and shorts specifically that will blow up your channel and pull in millions of views. Because this did not happen overnight, let me tell you that. It took a long time of practicing trial and error to consistently make and earn this amount of money every single month on YouTube. So hopefully you guys can take inspiration from this video and be sure to subscribe because I'll definitely be doing more videos like this.